Hey guys, this is Johnny talking about the Sony UWP D11 in the field. I had a great opportunity this last weekend to try out the Sony UWP D11 wireless lavalier system, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I liked about it. So come on down here and check this out. First and foremost is it's the lights on it. I really like when you power it on, it says that the power's on by having that green little light in there. If you're getting RF, it's actually, lights up there as well. The settings, you can kind of scroll through the menu. This is actually the receiver, so it's a little bit different. It's got some different options in it. But let me grab the transmitter really quick. So you power it on by hitting the button. It's very similar to the old UWP that came before this, but same thing. I like these lights. So if I'm talking into it and it's distorting, you can actually, see the red light go on, and if it's getting a good level, then it's turning green. So that's kind of like one of the main things that I like right out of the gate. Also, I haven't used it yet, but I love the USB charging ability. So that's pretty neat. I'm dying to use that. I go on to a feature this next weekend, so I'm going to try to use that. These are a great tool. What I was using them for is it was kind of like my backup wireless lav system. I was using the G3s before, and if you can see it right next to it, the G3s really feel, how would you say, not as rugged as the new Sony UWP D11s. The previous one felt as rugged. This one just feels, the same, if not better. I like the little yellow window that it's got. But let me also tell you something that I learned that was a little bit tricky. I wanted to see how the milliamps were adjusted. So if you flip through the menu, you won't see it. And I was on set kind of going through, trying all these different things, testing it out, and I couldn't find the milliamps. So you kind of have to read the manual, because that's what I ended up doing is looking through the manual. So you have to turn it off first, and this is the transmitter, just so you know, it's not the receiver. So you're going to hit the button set, and then you're going to power it on. Now you're in this different mode, which allows you to have the the RF power high and low. So I want to hit the button set. It switches to low, and I hit set, and that's it. So those are some of my favorite features. The monitor feature, which is on the receiver, is one of my favorite, because you can quickly turn it into a listening device for the director. It sounds fantastic, better than the Comtex actually that I was using, and it's kind of nice when the director can hear close to what you're hearing. I'm using the Sound Devices 633 as a recorder, but the director can hear a clear audio signal, and they look at you and they're like, wow, this sounds great. So that's always nice. So I'm going to make some more videos. Let me wrap this one up, and I will test out some of the stuff and some of the questions and the comments that I get below in the comment field on the YouTube stuff. Somebody had asked me about the microphone that comes with it. This is kind of the standard microphone that comes with it. I actually throw it to the side because I'm using it as a backup, and I rarely even touch that microphone, even when I get it brand new. I'm using the B3s, B6s, which I sent to Countryman yesterday to have them rewire it for the Sonys. So I will make some long-distance checks and some tests that you guys can hear today, but this is just kind of a quick in-the-field review, how I liked it and what I thought of it. So check out more. It's the Sony UWP D11.